Welcome to our roundup of the best budget action camera options. Whether you're capturing outdoor adventures, travel moments, or everyday activities, having an affordable yet capable action camera can make all the difference. We've selected top-rated budget-friendly models that deliver impressive video quality, durability, and essential features without breaking the bank. From waterproof designs to stabilization technology, these cameras are built to handle a variety of conditions while keeping your footage smooth and clear. We'll break down each model's key specs, including resolution, battery life, mounting options, and overall performance to help you choose the right one for your needs. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's dive in and find your ideal action camera. The first on the list is the Insta360 X3. The Insta360 X3 takes creativity to another level with 360-degree video capture, 5.7K resolution recording, and invisible selfie stick effect. This camera is built for creators who want immersive footage and dynamic reframing possibilities after shooting. Unlike traditional action cameras, the X3 records everything around you. That means you don't have to worry about pointing the lens perfectly while filming. Later, using the app, you can reframe your footage to highlight the best angles. The 5.7K resolution ensures that even after cropping or reframing, your final video still looks sharp and detailed. One of its most exciting features is the invisible selfie stick effect. When you mount the camera on a compatible stick, it automatically removes the stick from the footage, making it look like you are being followed by a drone. This creates dramatic third-person perspectives that stand out on social media. The X3 also offers single lens mode, effectively turning it into a standard action camera when needed. Its large touchscreen makes navigation smooth and user-friendly. Flow state stabilization keeps footage steady even during intense activities like skiing or mountain biking. It's waterproof without needing an external case, making it convenient for water sports. The camera also captures high-resolution 72-megapixel photos, which is impressive for a device of this size. Battery performance is solid, and the mobile app offers powerful editing tools with artificial intelligence-assisted tracking and reframing. Overall, the Insta360 X3 is perfect for creators who want maximum flexibility, immersive storytelling, and unique cinematic perspectives in a compact, action-ready device. Next up is the ODDV 4K 60 FPS action camera. If you were looking for a budget-friendly entry into action filming, the ODDV 4K 60 FPS makes a strong case. With 4K 60 frames per second video recording, 30-megapixel photo resolution, and electronic image stabilization, this camera delivers impressive specs for its price category. It allows you to capture crisp, vibrant footage whether you're biking, hiking, or recording family trips. The 4K video at 60 frames per second ensures smooth motion, especially useful for fast action scenes. Meanwhile, the 30-megapixel still image capability lets you snap sharp photos that are detailed enough for social media or even light editing. The built-in electronic image stabilization helps reduce shake and vibration, which is essential when filming handheld or mounting the camera on a helmet or handlebar. Another highlight is its dual screen design. The rear display gives you clear access to settings and playback, while the front screen is extremely useful for vlogging or framing selfies. This makes it a versatile tool for beginners who want flexibility without spending too much. It also comes with a waterproof case, allowing it to handle underwater shooting for swimming, snorkeling, or beach vacations. The included mounting accessories make it easy to attach to bikes, helmets, and tripods straight out of the box. Overall, the ODDV 4K 60 FPS action camera is a fantastic starting point for beginners or casual users who want solid performance, good resolution, and useful accessories without stretching their budget. Next, we have the DJI Osmo Action 4 Enhanced Combo. The DJI Osmo Action 4 Enhanced Combo delivers professional-grade performance with high dynamic range 4K video, advanced rock-steady stabilization, and extended battery kit in the combo package. It's designed for serious action enthusiasts who demand clarity and reliability. Overall, the DJI Osmo Action 4 Enhanced Combo is an excellent all-rounder that combines strong stabilization, vibrant video quality, and extended shooting capacity for creators who want dependable performance. Next up is the GoPro Hero 13 Black. The GoPro Hero 13 Black pushes the limits with ultra-high-resolution video, hyper-smooth stabilization, and advanced horizon leveling. As a flagship-level camera, it's engineered for extreme environments and demanding creators. Video clarity is exceptional, offering incredibly sharp detail and smooth motion. Hyper-smooth stabilization remains one of the best in the industry, delivering gimbal-like steadiness without extra equipment. Even during aggressive movements like motocross or snowboarding, footage stays smooth and cinematic. The horizon leveling ensures that your footage remains straight even if the camera tilts during action. This dramatically improves the professional look of your videos, especially in dynamic sports scenarios. The camera is rugged and waterproof without an external housing. Its improved battery system provides longer runtime and better performance in cold conditions. The front and rear displays offer flexible framing options, perfect for both action capture and selfie-style vlogging. Overall, the GoPro Hero 13 Black stands out as a powerhouse action camera, built for extreme performance, superior stabilization, and professional quality footage. The last one on our list is the DJI Osmo Action 4 Standard Combo. The DJI Osmo Action 4 Standard Combo earns the top spot with large image sensor for better low-light performance, rock-steady and horizon-steady stabilization, and long-lasting fast-charging battery. It strikes an exceptional balance between image quality, durability, and usability. The larger sensor allows it to capture more light, resulting in clearer and more detailed footage in low-light situations, such as sunset rides or indoor sports. Colors appear natural and dynamic, giving your videos a polished look straight out of the camera. Rocksteady ensures smooth stabilization, while Horizon Steady keeps your footage level even during full rotations. This combination delivers professional-looking results without needing additional equipment. The standard combo includes essential mounting accessories, and the magnetic quick-release system allows fast transitions between setups. Dual touchscreens enhance usability for vloggers and action shooters alike. Overall, the DJI Osmo Action 4 Standard Combo delivers outstanding image quality, class-leading stabilization, and dependable battery performance, making it an excellent choice for anyone who wants top-tier results in a compact and rugged package. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep shooting and stay adventurous.